we beat the upper end of our guidance, which was 5 to 7% for quarter two. We delivered 8.1% in constant currency sequential, which was year-on-year 28.8%. So it was a strong revenue performance. We sustained our margin except for a one-timer that we had, a benefit that we had in quarter one. Overall, there is a lot of traction in the market. It is getting converted into strong volumes and resultant strong revenues. We have guided for quarter three at 2 to 4% sequential, which is reflective of the continued momentum. And we feel there are many drivers which are helping this demand surge in the industry, and we think we are well prepared to capture it.
Right. In your official statement on earnings, you have highlighted that this time around, you have completed a salary increase covering 80% of your colleagues, making it the second hike in the calendar year. Salaries are going up for techies in India. Is it getting competitive? And what kind of cost pressures would it mean for your business on the margin side?
So, as I just said, it is a great time for IT industry, and like in any industry, you would see reflection of that on the supply side when the demand is surging, and we are seeing pressure on talent as an industry. It is becoming a point of differentiation for our customers. And therefore, these are also investment times from corporate standpoint in our employees and in the talent of tomorrow. So certainly, we have given a second salary increase to 80% of our staff starting 1st September, and that is reflection of the current environment.
So what does that mean for your own expansion plans? Because, at a time like this, when you're saying that deal activity is picking up, you would also look at hiring more headcount or increasing headcount, actually, and having more people work on deals. So what is your strategy in terms of hiring new people and hiking salaries of the existing employees?
So we are very well covered. I'm very pleased with the way we have ramped up the hiring engine. As you can see, despite a relatively higher attrition, we have been able to grow 10,000 plus, nearly 12,000 people additionally on a net basis between quarter one and quarter two. So there is clearly differentiation in Wipro brand. There is a great pull that Wipro enjoys, and we have been able to demonstrate in the way we have executed on our fulfillment against the demand. Yes, it does have an impact, probably in short term on margins, but like we had in quarter two, we had operational performance which mitigated some of this investment, and our focus would be to constantly look for that balance of investments and the savings that we can generate from operations. But yes, it is a time where the growth is very good in the industry, and we should do everything, including investment in talent if required on short term, to make sure that we capture the share and we capture this growth momentum.